It's one of the most ambitious schemes of the Modi government, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, a national mission for financial inclusion to be launched across the country on 28th August. The program proposes to achieve comprehensive financial inclusion in two phases. The first phase extends from 15th August 2014 to 14th August 2015. The primary aim of the Jan Dhan Yojana is to provide universal access to banking facilities, bringing the poor into the banking system by providing them with bank accounts and debit cards. It will provide basic bank accounts with overdraft facility of 5,000 rupees after 6 months, covering both urban and rural areas. The account will be linked to RuPay debit card. Account holders will be eligible for an accident insurance cover of up to 1 lakh rupees for the entire family and the RuPay Kisan card. A financial literacy program is also part of the Yojana. The second phase of the Jan Dhan Yojana will play out from 15th August 2015 to 15th August 2018. It will cover creation of credit guarantee fund for coverage of defaults in overdraft accounts, micro insurance, and unorganized pension schemes like Swavalamban. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was one of the big announcements in the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Independence Day speech.
एक प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना, इस प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना के माध्यम से हम देश के गरीब से गरीब लोगों को बैंक अकाउंट की सुविधा से जोड़ना चाहते हैं। आज करोड़ों करोड़ों परिवार हैं जिसके पास मोबाइल फोन तो है लेकिन बैंक अकाउंट नहीं है।
While Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the scheme in Delhi, the functions at the state capitals and district headquarters will be presided over by cabinet ministers, chief ministers and senior officials of the Government of India. On the first day itself, a target of 1 crore bank accounts have been set for the nationalized bank, which are a part of the scheme. Modi's speech from Delhi will be transmitted to all 76 centers and shown on a big screen. Once the speech is over, ministers and officials will take over at the local and regional functions. Well, financial inclusion forms an important part of a growing economy, and for India it is superly important that everyone has a bank account. And with Jan Dhan Yojana, the focus basically is on that. Hopefully with this Yojana, everyone will have a bank account in future. With camera person Anil, Siddhant Sibbal, DD News, New Delhi.